Hello children, welcome back to English grammar class. I hope that you all are safe and healthy, right? So today in this video we are going to learn how to frame a question with an auxiliary verb. Yes children, today's topic is framing questions with an auxiliary verb. Now look at him. He is a new boy in our class. Would you like to know about him? So, what are we going to ask him? Yes. What is your name? Where do you live? When is your birthday? And who do you live with? Right? Children, over here, words like what, where, when and who are WH words. Okay? Children, let me remind you that there are two main types of questions. Yes, children. Question framing can be classified into two categories. Yes or no questions and WH questions. Now, can you tell me what are WH questions? WH questions are questions starting with WH words including who, whose, whom, what, when, where, which, why and how. And we use them to ask a question for any information. Okay, that means when we expect an answer other than yes or no. Fine. On the other hand, yes or no questions are general questions whose expected answer is either yes or no. Okay. For example, if I ask the new student, okay, if I ask the new boy, do you speak English? Yes, his response would be either yes or no, right? Now, let's have a quick recap of some of the WH words and brush up on our previous learning. So first we have WH word who. Okay, who is always used to ask about person or people. Next we have what. What always gives us information about an object, an idea or an action. Okay, what about when? Well, WH word when is always used to know the time of a particular event. Okay, when is always used to know the time of a particular event. And then we have WH word where. Children, whenever we want to know about the place or location, we always use WH word where. Okay? Next is WH word which. It is used to ask about choices. That means choice between alternatives. Next we have why. Well, a lot of the times when we need to know about any reason of something which has happened, then we use WH word why. Okay? Last one is how. We use how to ask about the way or manner or form of doing something. Fine, children. Children, that's all about WH words. In the next video, we will be learning how to frame WH questions with the help of auxiliary verb. Until the next video, take care. Bye-bye.